Unlock nature's anti-aging secrets, your guide to instant results. Are you tired of expensive creams that promise the world but deliver little? What if the key to youthful, radiant skin was already in your kitchen? Discover how triphala, amla, giloy, rosemary, and spinach can transform your skin and give you that coveted glow. But first, let's address your burning questions. 1. How exactly do I use these ingredients? 2. What's the right dosage for visible results? 3. How quickly can I expect to see changes? While these natural remedies have been used for centuries, it's important to note that scientific research is still ongoing. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Now, let's dive into how to harness the power of these natural anti-aging ingredients. 1. Triphala. Usage: take as a powder or in capsule form. Dosage: 500–1000 milligrams per day, preferably before bedtime. Method: mix the powder with warm water or take capsules with water. Expected results: may see improvements in skin clarity within 2–4 weeks of consistent use. 2. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Usage: consume as juice, powder, or in capsule form. Dosage: 1–2 teaspoons of powder or 500–1000 milligrams in capsule form daily. Method: mix powder with honey and warm water, or take capsules as directed. Expected results: potential increase in skin brightness within 3–4 weeks. 3. Giloy. Usage: use as a powder or in juice form. Dosage: 2–3 milliliters of juice or 1/2 teaspoon of powder twice daily. Method: mix powder with warm water or honey, or dilute juice with water. Expected results: may notice improved skin texture in 4–6 weeks. 4. Rosemary. Usage: as an essential oil, diluted, or herbal tea. Dosage: for tea, use 1–2 teaspoons of dried rosemary per cup of hot water. For oil, mix 2–3 drops with a carrier oil. Method: drink tea once daily or apply diluted oil to skin after cleansing. Expected results: potential reduction in puffiness and improved circulation within 2–3 weeks. 5. Spinach. Usage: incorporate into your diet or use as a face mask. Dosage: aim for 1 cup of fresh spinach daily in your meals. Method: for a face mask, blend 1/4 cup fresh spinach with 1 tablespoon of honey, apply for 15 minutes, then rinse. Expected results: may notice improved skin tone within 3–4 weeks of regular consumption and weekly masks. Remember, consistency is key when using natural remedies. While some people report seeing initial improvements within days, it typically takes 4–6 weeks of regular use to notice significant changes. To maximize benefits: stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Protect your skin from sun damage with SPF. Get adequate sleep to support your skin's natural regeneration process. Combine these remedies with a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Embarking on this natural anti-aging journey is more than just a beauty regimen, it's a commitment to holistic well-being. As you incorporate these time-tested ingredients into your daily routine, remember that true beauty radiates from within. The power of triphala, amla, giloy, rosemary, and spinach extends beyond skin-deep benefits, offering a boost to your overall health and vitality. Patience and consistency are your allies on this path. While the allure of instant results is tempting, the most profound and lasting changes often unfold gradually. Embrace this process as an opportunity to nurture not just your skin, but your entire being. As you witness the transformation in your mirror, take pride in knowing you've chosen a natural, sustainable approach to aging gracefully. You're not just turning back the clock, you're writing a new chapter of wellness and self-care. So, are you ready to unlock the ageless beauty that nature has bestowed upon you? Your journey to radiant, youthful skin starts now, right in your own kitchen. Embrace the power of these natural wonders and let your inner glow shine through.